What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Danny Cook. I currently live full-time in the back of my 2004 Toyota Tacoma. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my climb to Three Fingers Lookout. Back in 2024, this was one of the, honestly, the greatest and coolest things I've ever done in my entire life. I wanted to show you guys kind of my story behind it and the descent down from the top, because I have never seen it on YouTube before, and I was really hoping to see it on YouTube at some point, but I could not find it, and I know that when I went, I wish that I was able to see it before I climbed up the mountain. Without further ado, here you go.
Oh yeah? Can I see?
All right. Sketchy. Oh, that's sketchy. God damn. I do not like that. Whew. Ooh, I don't know about that one. My backpack doesn't fit. It's too big. There we go. Okay. No, wow. Woo. It's so much sketchier coming down than it's going up. Oh, that ladder moves. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Whew. Oh. Oh. Wow. You wouldn't want to fall down there. That's for sure. Here's a sketchy ledge right here. Oh, nice steep. Okay. Oh, wow. That is spectacular. Some other guys down there. See you later. All right. This section's a lot easier. Less hairy. Still want to be very careful, but much less dangerous in the latter section. Alrighty, you guys are going back in. Should have gone in backwards, not forward. There's the glacier. It's very small right now. No more than 100 feet, 150 feet big. So very easy to go down. Almost down this last section though here and keep going. Here we are. Just climb down that with a 50-pound pack. Look at the clouds, guys. Wow. Amazing. All right, time to get to the snowy part. See how it goes. We're going a little different route than they did. Oh, I don't know. That is slick. I might have to put the crampons on. That's a little sketchy. Oh yeah, that's ice. Oh, my knee's killing me. Oh, so much better. Yeah, if you guys come up here, or anybody comes up here after watching this video, make sure to bring crampons any time of the year, just for safety, just in case. Because this is frozen solid this morning, but yesterday it was pretty soft. And you can see how steep it is. It's and it gets steeper. So much easier with crampons though. Holy crap. Just walking straight down it. Oh. Whew. This is amazing. Also, for people that aren't experienced, it's never a bad idea to bring extra rope and an ice axe or two if you got one, or if you don't have one, maybe buy one, because early season this gets really steep and really hairy. I'm just walking straight down it though. It's cold, but I'm sweating at the same time. It's really annoying. I'm gonna have to take off my underlayer. Alright guys, there's the bottom. Hopefully I don't bend my spikes at all. Get a nice place to sit for a second. So the Glacier normally goes way up another 50 feet, even higher, and it comes down all the way over this ledge right here. So if you do come in the early season and you do slide down the hill, you're going over a cliff. So you got to be super careful, super aware of your surroundings, and yeah, have fun. Not too much fun though. All right, guys, that's descending from Three Fingers Lookout, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Woo.